everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today I'm going to be doing a comparison between the Coach Pillow Tabby bag in the 26 size to the Coach Pillow Tabby bag in the 18 size. Go over all the pros and cons, the details of both, so you can decide which one is more for you if you're in between the two sizes. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot. But today we do have a comparison type video. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Yes, hi, hello everyone. Hope you're doing well today. I wanted to do this comparison because I did do a comparison between the Pillow Tabby bag and the quilted tabby whenever I got that one, and that one was actually in a 20 size, so it was actually a tiny bit bigger than this one. But now that I have the Pillow Tabby in the 18 size, I wanted to do a comparison and just kind of go over both of these. Plus, they're literally the same style because the quilted tabby wasn't considered the Pillow Tabby, it was a different style. So I wanted to do the same thing but just make sure they are the same style, just so you can get the most accurate, I guess, comparison or whatever. So that's what we're gonna do today. Very excited. And then I'll go over pricing of both of them. I'll go over dimensions. I'll go over what fits inside and all of that good stuff. So let's start with the 26 size. If you've been on this channel before, you have definitely probably seen this bag. I have had this bag for a very long time. It's kind of like one of my OG handbags and I still love it. I use it pretty often. She hasn't gotten a lot of wear right now because we're in summertime, but in the fall, winter, she does see some wear. So yeah, I love this bag. I think it's great, and Coach is just a really good mid-range contemporary type of brand. So here is of course what this bag looks like. You have the front, you have the side, you have the other side, and then here is the back. There is nothing on the back. It does not have any kind of feet or anything, and it does have this cute little dog tag that says Coach, and it's really puffy. And then if you can see, it does have a top handle strap that is completely detachable, so you can take it off and use this as like a big clutch if you wanted to do something like that. It also comes with, can I get this on? It also comes with a crossbody strap as well if you are into that, if you like carrying these bags crossbody. The clasp, the closing mechanism is like a little button mechanism. Who am I? Alan Turing. Anyways, that's the overview of this bag. I think it's great. Again, this one is in black, so it definitely would, lean more towards fall winter in my opinion. And because it's big, if it was a small one in black, then I would say use it whenever. But since it's the big size, in my opinion, it leans more fall winter. If you had the cream color, like the ivory color, then that would definitely be spring summer. And you can wear that one really anytime as well. On the inside, it looks like this. You have one pocket in the back right here, and then you have this zip pocket in the middle, which I hate. I hate this pocket. There we go. And then you have a pocket in the front. The reason I don't like this middle pocket is because it takes up so much space. I wish that was like removable. The bag would fit so much more if this stupid pocket wasn't in here. But the bag still does fit a lot. I don't have any issues putting in things in this bag. It is a pretty big bag, so a lot does fit. And now let's go over the pricing on this bag. As far as I know, the pricing on the 26 size Pillow Tabbies are going to be $550 on the Coach website. Yeah, that's really weird. I actually can't find the Tabby 26, the Pillow Tabby 26 on the Coach website. Maybe they're sold out at the moment. I mean, there is one, but it's like the recycled. That's really weird. Like, why are they not showing these on the website? Maybe they're sold out. I don't know. Maybe they're really popular. But I did find one on, let's see, what is it? Nordstrom? Or Saks. So on Saks Fifth Avenue, you do have the black and you do have the cream color, and it is in the 26 size, and it is $550. I would recommend not spending $550 on this bag. I think you can get it on sale multiple different places. I got this at Zappos and it was like half the price. I got it for the price of the mini size, which is crazy. So definitely wait for a sale if you can. Zappos, Amazon, maybe even Coach sometimes does their own sales. Saks, Nordstrom, stuff like that. So I would totally wait for a sale if you wanted to get the 26 size, just because they go on sale relatively often. So yeah, there's that. And then when it comes to the dimensions, this bag is 10.5 inches long. It is 5 3/4 inches high, and then it is 3 inches in depth. And the leather on this bag is Napa leather. It is smooth Napa leather. This bag is great. I've had it for a long time. I haven't had any issues with it. The leather has remained very buttery soft, very smooth. And yeah, the quality on the Coach bags are just great. Regarding the crossbody strap, it does have the little, I don't know what you call these, just little clasps like this. And that's just what they look like. Oh, and the strap length is, I know it did tell me. The short strap right here, the drop is 7 1/4 inch. And then the detachable long strap has a 21.5 inch drop. So if you want to wear a crossbody or on your shoulder. All right, now let's go into the little baby over here. This is the Coach Pillow Tabby bag in the 18 size. This is in this beautiful, like metallic gold. I wanted something that was kind of nighttime. Like I wanted like a cute little nighttime bag. So I found this one. And I think it's so stinking cute. Again, here is the overview of the bag. So you have the front, you have this side, you have this side, and then you have the back. Nothing on the back, of course, and then no feet on the bag either. And then it does, of course, come with its own little crossbody strap that you can use as a shoulder or crossbody. And it's in that same really pretty metallic gold color as the back. Opening this up here, it has the same type of closure. So it's got like a button, like a magnetic button closure. And then opening this up, here is what this looks like. She is tiny. One pocket in the back right here. And then we have this little divider in the minis. It's not a zipper pocket, it's just a divider. So you're not gonna be able to actually fit anything in this little thing here. And then you have the front section. And then of course you have the little dog tag, but it's mini and it's so cute. And of course you can take the handle, the little top handle, you can fully remove it as well. So you could use this as like a little baby clutch if you wanted to do that too, which I love. I love how versatile the Coach bags are. And I just think you can wear them so many different ways. It's crazy. Okay, again, I can't find these bags on the Coach website. This is so weird. I guess they're all sold out or something. I know they're really popular, but it's so weird that they just don't have them on the website. All they have on the website is the 20 size. So this is just strange. So I found it on Saks, of course, and it is $395 for the mini size. You could find it on sale if you looked, I'm sure, at some point. So yeah, definitely look for a sale if you can. And then the dimensions of this one is 7.25 inches in length, and then it is 4 inches in height, and then it is 2.5 inches in depth. So she's a little baby, she's a little child. However, this bag does fit your phone, which is insane. I have the iPhone 15 Pro Max with a case on it, and it fits. When I discovered that, I lost my mind. I can't believe it. I don't usually carry my phone in my bag. If I were to take this on a night out, I would put my phone in my bag, because usually things that you wear on a night out don't have pockets. So I probably would put my phone in my bag for that occasion, but that's really it. I don't ever put my phone in my bag, but it's really great that it fits. So if you are somebody that likes to put your phone in your bag, it will fit in this tiny little thing. But yeah, here is like a side-by-side comparison. Here's the front, here's the side, like a side comparison. And then let me see if I can like put it on top. Yeah, you can definitely see that the 26 size is bigger, like a lot bigger. And here's the back. And then here is the other side. So definitely you can tell like a side-by-side comparison. It really just depends on which one you like the most. If you're somebody that needs to carry a lot, like if you want like a nice office bag, like a work bag, totally go with the 26 size. Or if you're someone that just carries a lot of stuff, go with the 26 size. If you're looking for something that is either like a nighttime bag, like a more event cute little nighttime bag, definitely go with the mini size. If you are someone that just doesn't carry a lot with you, and if you think this is too big, then I would totally go with the 18 size or the 20 size if you're looking for something kind of in between. She is the cutest little thing. I love it. And also regarding what you can fit inside, I have done unboxings and reviews of both of these bags, and I will link those down in the description so you can go check those out and see fully everything that fits in both of these bags. But just know that this bag is going to literally only fit your essentials. Like this will fit your phone, and then maybe it'll fit a lip gloss, a very slim card holder, and like that's probably it. Like maybe a Tic Tac, and then it's full. So this is definitely going to be something that you do have to condense down your everyday things to fit in this bag. But it is good that, you know, if you are someone that does not carry your phone in your bag, and if you need it just in your pocket, you will have a little bit of extra room, but nothing too big. Like maybe even sunglasses wouldn't fit in this bag because they're kind of long. Maybe you would fit, but it just depends. This bag, on the other hand, fits everything. This bag is massive and it fits everything. You need to take a full-sized wallet, go for it. You need to take like a small book, go for it. It won't fit a Kindle or anything, sadly, but if you had like one of those like really small kind of like mass market paperbacks, it would totally fit in this. If you needed to carry sunglasses, a water bottle, pretty much anything like that you can think of, it would fit in this bag. So it just depends on if you are needing more space or if you're okay with having less space. But you guys, that has been my comparison between both of these Coach babies. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer. Do you like the 26 size, or are you an 18 size girly, or do you actually like the 20 size more? Let me know in the comments below, or just leave me a comment telling me anything because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you again for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!